Hello friends, let's have a look at the fifth exercise. Bharatiya Kala Kendra Solapur gives you the following information for the year ended on 31st March 2018. Prepare income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2018. So we are going to prepare just income and expenditure account here, but not the balance sheet. Receipts and payments account for that year. On the receipt side, opening balances, ignore it. Locker rent is income. Entrance fees is also income. Sale of old newspapers, that is also income. Receipts from drama, income for the concern. Legacies. Legacies are generally capital receipts. We will see is there any adjustment on it. Interest on government securities is income, and miscellaneous receipts is also income. Payments, stationery is expenditure, then furniture purchased is asset. Investment in government securities, that is also asset. Expenses of drama is expenditure. Then postage, magazines and newspapers, salaries, all these are expenses. And closing cash and bank balances would have been shown in the balance sheet, but we are not going to prepare it in this problem. Additional information, the first about the legacies. Legacies are to be capitalized, so we are not going to show legacies on income side. Outstanding salary rupees 200. This salary will be added to the salary on expenditure side, and 50% of entrance fees are to be capitalized. Means all the entrance fees is not treated to be income. Only 50% will be shown as an income, and remaining 50% will be transferred to capital fund. That's it. So we will have to show outstanding, salary and entrance fees in the inner column, and legacies need not to be shown in the income and expenditure account. Okay, let's see the solution now. Here it is. Expenditure side, stationery, expenses of drama. Expenses of drama can be deducted from receipts from drama, or it can be debited to expenditure. Income and expenditure account. It can be shown on expenditure side, or it can be deducted from income side. Then postage is expense, as we already have discussed. Magazines and newspapers, salaries plus outstanding. The outstanding salaries are given in the adjustment, so they are being added here to the salaries. So total salary for the current year is 4,600. The expenses of drama can be debited to income and expenditure account, and can be deducted from the receipts from drama in order to know exactly what is the income by way of drama to this not-for-profit concern. It's up to you which method to follow. Both are acceptable. Okay, fine. Look at the income side. Locker rent, income. Entrance fees, it's 50% capitalized. So remaining 50% is shown as an income, and 50% have been transferred to the capital fund. Sale of old newspapers, that is also revenue receipt for the concern, so shown as an income of this concern. Receipts from drama. Interest on government securities, as we already have discussed. And miscellaneous receipts, sundry receipts, miscellaneous receipts are items of income for a not-for-profit concern. Okay, so when we compare these two sides, we find that the income of this concern is greater than the expenditure, and that's fine. The expenditure is shorter than income by rupees 2650, and the shortage of expenditure over income is what? Surplus of this concern, and that's positive sign. It will be added to the capital fund. You know that. It's again a simple exercise. For those who are unable to understand, I am making the videos on simple exercises too. Anyway, your understanding is important. Get it solved. Thank you. Thank you very much.